Good morning, Steve here, and this morning we're just going to work with some healing sounds. I've already done my um, breath exercises and my yoga postures and some sound healing. So now from the place of some open flow within my energetic system, I'm going to make the sounds to amplify the openings that have already taken place. So these will be the sounds of different locations in the body that you may wish to have more open. And so I suggest that um, be sitting or lying down. I think when we're lying and we don't have to hold ourselves up, we can just be more aware of different parts of our body. And if you find that you can't take your awareness into a part of your body, there may be a good reason for that. So just um, this is about acceptance. So just accepting whatever we feel, maybe accepting locations that we don't feel, knowing that when it's the right time to feel those locations, we will feel those locations. But meanwhile, the body is keeping us safe from experiencing something maybe we're not ready to experience. So just experience the things that you do today, because those are the things you're ready to experience. So beginning with the grounding chakras that are in the arch of the feet, just do your best to take your awareness down to the arch of your feet and just notice how it feels in the arch. And you may just wish to listen to the sounds as I make them, or you may choose to make the sounds with me, thereby bringing those vibrations to the energy that you have your awareness on. So beginning with the grounding chakras in the bottom of the feet, and possibly if you want to, you could just state out loud that you choose to work with the Hathors, who oftentimes are the ones who are just making the sounds through my feet and helping me to direct my attention to various locations. So they will do that with you as well if you wish. Taking a deep breath into the chest, we'll make the sound of the grounding chakra. And with the intention of grounding ourselves to the healing center of the earth, we notice if the energy goes out from our grounding chakras and goes down and connects with the healing center of the earth. Breathing in deeply through your chest. just notice the sensations that you may be experiencing in the bottom of your feet or in your feet or your legs in general. Now we're going to make the sounds from the crown of the head, from the top of the head. We're going to make the sounds that connect us with the One. And the One is the all that is. We'll breathe into our chest. And if you wish, you can make this sound. Now we're going to go down and make the sounds of the feet and ankles. Taking a deep breath in. Have your awareness in the area of your feet and ankles. Let that continue to tingle or pulse. Sometimes it can feel a little itchy. Just notice the sensations as you have them, and then bring your attention up to your head while keeping your attention on your feet and ankles and your grounding chakra. Bring your attention up to your head. We're going to make the sounds of the head by taking in a deep breath. And a deep breath. And just notice any changes that you feel in your head. Keep your attention on your head and your crown chakra while you bring your attention down to the calves of your legs. So we're going to make the sound of the calves. Taking a deep breath. Notice any sensation in your calves, any change in sensation, any change in feeling, any change in opening. And then keep your awareness there while bringing your awareness up into your neck and throat. We're going to make the sounds of the neck and throat, taking in a deep breath. Allowing yourself to pay attention, have your awareness on the throat, the head, the crown chakra. Put your attention also on your knees. The knees are one of the areas in the body that stores grief. So as you hear these sounds that are being made for the healing of your knees, notice if you feel a release of grief. And it can be very subtle, and you can just notice it's a particular energy that just is being released from the knees, quite possibly from the elbows at the same time. Take a deep breath. Once again in that location, deep breath. And notice any sensation, any opening, any relaxation or tightening, any intense energies or subtle energies. Just accept whatever you feel. I'm noticing a pulsation coming out of the knees. Just notice what you notice. Now we're going to put our attention in the area of the chest. We're going to make the sounds for this area. Just notice any change in sensations, any increase in tension or decrease in tension. Energies that are intense or subtle, neither good nor bad. This is just coming more fully into your body and accepting the movement of energy wherever it chooses to move, by helping the body's vibration through sound. This next part we're going to go to is the abdomen. There's many organs in the abdomen. We're going to make the sound of the abdomen just an overall sound. We're going to connect it with the sound of the occiput, which is at the base of the skull, which, when it's tight or holding contracted energies, can also cause some contraction in the jaw and can affect the vagal nerve function, which is a nerve that supplies many of the abdominal organs. So the sound we're going to make is the sound for releasing of the occiput, the base of the skull, releasing and increasing the function of the vagus nerve, which leads to a state of relaxation, while also connecting that sound to the abdomen through the vagus nerve. Taking a deep breath. Noticing, accepting, expanding. We'll make that sound again, taking a deep breath. Noticing, softening, expanding. We'll take a deep breath and allow that sound again. So frequently when the system opens up and the colors of the earth begin coming up through the legs, the colors of the earth are red, orange, and yellow. And then the white light comes down through the crown chakra and combines with the red in the air of the heart. You might begin to see pink. And the pink is the healing of the higher and lower realm through us. So the reconnection of the earth realm, represented by our bodies, and the spirit realm, represented by our higher self. And when those two consciousnesses meet in the air of the heart, we'll oftentimes begin to see a pink color. I mentioned that because I saw the pink color filling the field of the body, the whole energetic field of the body just began glowing this beautiful kind of sunset pink. And so just spend a little bit of time feeling your body, feeling it vibrate, feeling its expanded feelings, and knowing that this process will assist the entire body, mind, emotional realm, spirit to all link back up again so that we're all prepared for this movement into this new dimension of energy, new to us as physical bodies, um, this new dimension of physical energy that we're moving into called the fifth dimension. So with that, I express my gratitude for all of you who are assisting this process of movement to the higher dimension. Nowmustgo.